So, welcome back to Old Car Road Trip. I've been having some electrical short problems, and I may have traced down one of the shorts to my brake switch. I believe this might be a reproduction switch, and it was heating up incredibly, which is why I think it was part of the problem. So what I had done is I've taken the tabs, I bent them back just using a small screwdriver, and now the cover can come off. When I had originally done this, the two pieces that make up the switch were both loose and pushed out, so they weren't lined up. One of the pieces was angled out this way, and I believe was possibly making contact with the housing itself. So what was happening is if I tested it using using an ohm meter, I was grounding out to the housing, which I don't believe I'm supposed to do. So on both of them, at one point I was grounding out on one of them. I don't remember which one. So what I've done is I disassembled the parts, which was really easy. There's just a couple little hex bolts. There's a couple of insulating washers. I lined up the switch itself. It's kind of a little bit ingenious. Let's see if I can line it up so that you can see. So you can see right now the switch is open. But if you were to step on the brake pedal, the piece that holds it down, this little insulator here, pulls back, and that switch closes. If you're off the pedal, it's open. There's no connection. On the pedal, it closes. So kind of a neat little switch. It's not grounding out anymore. I'm going to give it another shot. I may have blown a light in doing this, but hey, what are you going to do?